first thing we want to do is remove our dipstick. This is going to help the crankcase vent properly when we drop our engine oil. Now, using a 17mm socket, we want to remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now's a good time to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you're going to want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. And we'll reinstall the drain bolt and torque it to 21 foot-pounds. Using a 65mm oil filter wrench, we'll simply unthread the old oil filter. That way we can prep it for the new one. It simply just threads off. Before installing the new oil filter, make sure you apply a thin coat of oil around the outside gasket. That'll make it a lot easier on the next service to remove. And we'll torque this to about 11 foot-pounds, or just good and hand tight. You don't want to over tighten these. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Honda states that this unit holds 3.9 quarts of Honda Gen 4 10W30 motorcycle oil. You can use any manufacturer here as long as it's designed for a wet clutch system. Now we'll go ahead and reinstall our dipstick and start the engine up. Let it idle for a few moments. That's going to help oil get circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll shut the engine off and let it sit for a few more moments. That's going to help us get an accurate oil level reading. Now, we'll remove the dipstick one last time, wipe off the excess oil, and simply place it on top of the threads and lift it out to check our level. And this looks great, so let's hit the road.